3452 Lord Dowding
from
Swanage
going to Southall.
going to Southall.
This was
running
5 said 14.8.
said 14.8.
Running tender first.
Running tender first.
This is tender first.
And it's light and it's light engine.
And this is from Swanage to Southall.
This is a safety announcement.
And this is from Swanage to Southall. Tender first. And this is Lord Dowding.
Running at 3, 4, 4, 6, 14.
And 3, 4, 4, 6, 14.
And it's been 45 miles an hour all the way to Basingstoke.
And running 45 miles an hour from Basingstoke.
No, all the way from...
all the way from Basingstoke.
No, to one location.
One location.
Wareham all the way to...
all the way to... from Wareham... all the way to... Lord Dowding. And this is Lord Dowding. And she went to the gala. And she went to the gala. Lord Dowding went to the gala.
Yeah, I saw this at the gala. Hello, mate. You were tender fuzz all the way from Swanage, then? Wow.
The first.
How was the trip, then, gentlemen? You all right, mate? Yeah, okay.
Have a look, Joseph. Nice fire.
Yeah.
Oh, great. VR days. Here, mate. How did she coach back from Swanage? I like this though, coach. I like Lord Dowding. She'll sleep well tonight, won't she? Look after her. Good day, mate. She'll sleep well tonight. She'll sleep well tonight. Yep, 34052. And this is Lord Dowding. And this is where she was built. Yep. And this is her support coach. Yep. And this is it, her support coach. And this is Lord Dowding. And there's the crew who look after her. Give me a little wave. Give me a nice little wave. Thank you.
Can the young man ever stand up for a bit?
Yeah.